How to connect smart home gadgets with Amazon Alexa. Using Alexa provides a convenient way to control smart home devices, surpassing the individual app control method. After a simple setup process, syncing compatible products with Alexa allows users to effortlessly control their performance through voice commands. Discover valuable tips for smoothly integrating smart home gadgets with Alexa, focusing on leveraging an Amazon Echo device as the central hub. Here are the benefits of connecting smart home gadgets with Amazon Alexa. Number 1. Simplified setup for hassle-free experience. The frustration-free setup simplifies connecting Alexa-compatible devices to innovative home networks. Go to the Devices section in the Alexa app to check if it's successful. If the user's product appears, the setup is completed and users can start issuing commands. To add a product that's not listed, access the Devices menu, click the plus icon, and follow the steps to add your device. Number 2. Unlock Smart Lock with Alexa. While not all locks support voice controls, users can navigate menus to enable this feature. After adding the Smart Lock to Alexa, go to the Smart Home tab, choose the front door menu, and allow the Unlock by Voice option in the Edit menu. Number 3. View security camera footage with Alexa and Echo Show. If users have an Echo Show with the video screen, they can view footage from compatible intelligent security cameras. Simply activate the skill for the compatible camera and say, "Alexa, show me the front door camera" to view the footage on Echo Show. Number 4. Adjust room temperature with ease. The Amazon Smart Thermostat integrates with Alexa, along with other compatible options. Access the thermostat menu to control temperature and modes and customize settings according to your preferences.